Best phone mounts keep your device visible, stable, and accessible, improving productivity, video calls, charging, and hands-free convenience. My today's video is about top 5 best phone mounts for desk review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Magipia Gooseneck Phone Holder for Desk. This gooseneck phone holder stands out for its combination of stability, flexibility, and broad, everyday usability. Its reinforced aluminum alloy core makes the arm intentionally stiff, helping prevent sagging and unwanted wobbling, while the two-handed adjustment lets you position it precisely. The 360 degrees rotating clamp makes switching between portrait and landscape effortless, making it useful for FaceTime, streaming, reading, or recording overhead, cooking, and craft videos. Its wide 3-inch base clamp provides a secure grip on bed frames, headboards, nightstands, and kitchen counters, with EVA pads helping protect furniture from scratches. Supporting smartphones from 3.5 to 7 inches, the semi-enclosed clamp uses soft TPE padding to hold devices securely without damaging them. For heavier phones, shaping the arm into an S or Z configuration further improves stability, making this a practical hands-free solution for reducing neck strain. Now our second product is Cooper ChatStand Sturdy Cell Phone Holder for Desk. This universal desk phone holder is a practical choice for video calls, content creation, and hands-free entertainment, offering adjustable positioning from 9 to 13 inches for a more comfortable, face-level viewing angle. Its telescoping design helps reduce neck and back strain while allowing you to achieve better camera angles for FaceTime, Zoom, TikTok, YouTube, cooking videos, and family calls. Stability is another strong point, thanks to the weighted metal base with non-slip padding that helps prevent tipping or sliding during use. The extra-wide phone holder securely accommodates compatible iPhone and Android devices, making it dependable for everyday desktop use. Whether you're working from home, recording videos, attending meetings, or streaming, the hands-free design keeps your phone positioned exactly where you need it. The zero-plastic eco-friendly packaging is also a thoughtful finishing touch for environmentally conscious buyers. Our third product is Nulaxi Full Aluminum Dual Folding Cell Phone Stand. This universal phone stand combines portability, stability, and flexible positioning, supporting 8-inch smartphones and e-readers, including popular iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Kindle, and Nintendo Switch devices. Its foldable aluminum construction makes it easy to carry while allowing you to adjust the viewing angle for watching videos, gaming, FaceTime calls, reading recipes, or browsing. The sturdy premium aluminum body provides reliable support, while rubberized pads help prevent slipping and protect your device from scratches. A 19 mm wide holder also makes the stand case-friendly, accommodating phones with thicker protective cases without requiring removal, provided the device thickness stays within the stated limit. For added stability, smaller 6-inch devices can be positioned in either portrait or landscape mode, while larger 8-inch devices are better suited to landscape orientation. Overall, it is a practical desktop accessory for everyday hands-free use. Now number 4, MIPCO iPhone Mount for Desk. This versatile phone mount delivers impressive stability and positioning flexibility for everyday use, thanks to its durable aluminum alloy construction and innovative Q pattern clamp. The base can securely attach to surfaces up to 1.77 inches thick, while anti-skid rubber protects furniture from scratches and helps prevent slipping. Its articulating arm features 3 ball heads with 90-degree adjustment and a top 360-degree rotating phone clip, giving you extensive control over viewing angles for calls, filming, recipes, or content creation. Supporting up to 1.76 pounds, the sturdy combination of aluminum alloy and stainless steel provides reliable support, while the ABS phone holder with protective rubber padding keeps devices secure and scratch-free. Compatible with smartphones from 3.5 to 7.5 inches, it can mount to desks, cabinets, shelves, racks, glass doors, and tables, making it a highly adaptable hands-free solution. And our last choice is Lease and Sell Phone Holder for Bed Desk. This upgraded third-generation phone holder combines durability, stability, and impressive flexibility for hands-free smartphone use in bed, at a desk, or on the go. Its steel body provides a sturdy foundation, while upgraded shock-absorbing springs and tension adjustment knobs at each joint help keep the phone stable at different angles. The redesigned mechanical phone clip automatically provides suitable gripping force for different phone sizes, while its silicone padding protects against scratches, and the one-click release makes removing your device effortless. Its foldable construction also makes storage and transportation convenient. The bidirectional adjustable base expands its usefulness across tables, bedside surfaces, kitchen areas, sofas, camping setups, and vehicles, while the flexible arm allows precise positioning for watching videos, recording content, or browsing. Cable storage adds extra practicality, and the included 24-month warranty and customer support provide additional peace of mind for long-term use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.